Hey, Matthew from Angsaman Lasula. What's up, man? Dude, we have come to a dhaba that everybody talks about. Everybody says, go to Shelke Mama Dhaba on the way to Devgiri Fort. Shelke Mama, Shelke is of course the father. That's Sandeep. This is Rohit, the older brother. The young brother. All started this about 20 years ago. And they are quite famous for their mutton, right? Now, why does a dhaba hit different? Because the food is fresh, right? The meat is fresh, the chicken is fresh. I have on the table drumstick fry. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? Shevga. Drumstick fry. That's the mutton masala. Mutton fry in black sauce, black gravy. Mutton fry in the normal gravy, of course. And this is the chicken ukkad, which is very, very popular, right? I'm going to start with the drumstick because this hits different, man. You know what I mean? Word, man. Fuck, this is beautiful. So good. It has this little sour taste too. Wow, the texture of this is pretty nice, man. Well done. So we have the roti, we have the bajri bakri, and we have the jawari bakri. Of course, when you're having mutton, you have the bakri, right? I'm no different. So when I talk about freshness, right? Look at their onions. Look how fresh the onion is. This is what is different about dhaba, man. And also, these guys have got a pretty big restaurant, right? So therefore, the food has to be good because there's a lot of locals that come. You don't believe me? I'll eat you for it. Oh, you know what? Oh my God. I don't know how the fuck they get the cooking conditions so right. It is not overcooked. It is not undercooked. It is on point. Delicious. Wow. Wow. 20 years of legacy, man. Oh. Oh, wow. 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 You know, the gravy is always good when you get a piece of the mutton, the bone. Means time for the chicken ukkad. I have no idea how these guys have think something so simple and made it so delicious. Damn it. And this is healthy, man. Turmeric, salt, pepper, boiled chicken. You let it rest and you get something as magical as this, right? Look at that. Look at it. No effort. No effort. Insane. Remember, guys, Shelke Mama Dhaba in Aurangabad on the way to Devgiri Fort. As for it, it's fucking beautiful and it's not very expensive. So the mutton is in at about 250 on the chicken. There you go. So the chicken is 150. That's about 250. Not bad, because you know what?
Shevga fry 130.
And Shevga fry, which is about 85,000 kilos, is only 130. Well done. 5 people can eat that. Peace out, you guys.